Hello everyone, today I will show you a welding station. What's included in the package? We have two pens. I like it, it's very good in electronic. We have here a support. And here I think is the welding station. Look, we have the solder side and the rework side. It's pretty simple. We have two buttons, one button for solder, one button for rework, and two sockets. I also have a plug for AC power supply. This is the AC power supply. Is I don't know, it's pretty long. I think have 1.5 meter. I will power supply it. I will power on. This one is the solder. We will fix the plug here in the solder side. Oh. I hope we have enough light. Good. This is the solder. We have little more accessories, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I think is pretty easy to change it. I think is like this. Okay, we take out this side and we install another one. It's not complicated. This stay here, and we have a blower with hot air which can be fixed here. So this was for accessories for solder. The place for this is here, is like this. We have also some accessories for this blower. As you see, we have 3 pieces. The mounting is very easy. We put this here, we tie the screw, and that's all. In the package we have also a pump. This package cost around cost around $50. I think it's very cheap for simple DIY. And now let's weld some wires. I don't need this in this moment. Let me arrange a little the bank of work. What I must to show you, when you turn on the buttons, you can set the temperature. For soldering, I think the maximum is, let's see what is the maximum, 500 degrees, and for solder also 500 degrees. Good. So here we can work. I bought also a small device for fixing wires. This is the device. And let's weld some wires. I think we can use some wires from this cable. I will cut it. So let's weld two wires. What is my method? I leave the wires in two at both cables. Like this. Let's fix it. Here we will weld. So some paste. I will start the soldering. I think 400 degrees is enough. I use some flux cord solder wire. This kind of solder I will use. I clean little the end. I put some paste here on the wires. And now let's weld this these two. My advice: you just need to to take a little flodder on this, a little solder. You don't need to burn the solder here. You need to hit the wires with the solder, and when the wires are hot, you just move the solder paste on that. I try to give some hot on these wires, and you will see how easy it is. I will set my solder station to 460 degrees. And I'm waiting the wires go hot. Look. Look what perfect is this soldering. I hope you see well. And now, what we can do, I have this ends. Let's see if one is fitting. Look, we put this here. I fix the wires, and now I start the blower. It's ready. Look, the perfect way to join two cables. It's perfect. Perfecto.